submission and a request to you is that, sir, every day the agenda for the assembly is reaching us at 1 o'clock. Day before yesterday, it reached my residence at 1:40, sir. Sir, if it comes at 1:40, how will the political party and legislatures prepare on the subject? Sir, when the first day BSc meeting was conducted, the agenda was decided and the agenda was tabled. One short discussion was taken up. And what we see today, sir, the same short discussion has been made number 2. A new short discussion is arised. Sir, this house cannot run with the wishes of one political party or one ruling party, sir. Everybody needs to be taken into confidence. 25 years, sir, I have never seen the house running like this. नहीं ऐसा नहीं करे थे ऐसा. How can it run like that, sir? Sir, my humble submission request to the chair is that, sir, kindly send us the agenda before, sir. My only submission and request is that, sir. Sir, earlier, sir, जैसा आज अगर हाउस हो रहा है, sir, tomorrow जो भी हाउस में आने वाला है, क्वेश्चन, सर, फ्लोर लीडर्स को पूरा पेपर भी लेकर देते थे, कल ये आने वाला है बोल के. सर, रात के 1 बजे आएगा तो कैसा प्रिपेयर करेंगे, सर? आप खुद बोलिए, सर. Sir, with all due respect to the chair, I am submitting this, sir. It is not against anyone, sir. I am talking for the honor of this house, the privilege of this house, and the privilege of the members, sir. Sir, you are the custodian of this house, sir. Sir, you have to come for the protection of all of us, sir, not just me, all the members, sir. Sir, you should make sure, sir, that the agenda reaches us, sir, and once a topic is decided. Sir, अब रात में 1 बजे बोले, अब वो रेवेन्यू पे, लैंड पे डिस्कस करेंगे. So the treasury benches do not want the opposition parties to come prepared. That is why early in the morning they are sending the agenda. They don't want to have a healthy discussion. Sir, ये कैसा होगा, sir? Sir, आप पहले बोले तो हम प्रिपेयर होके आ सकते, sir. Suddenly ला लिए, इस पे बोलना है बोल दो. Suddenly ये बिल आ गया, इस पे बोल दो. How can we do it, sir? Sir, this is not, sir. So decorum, the honor and the privilege of the house and the members should be taken care by the chair, sir. I request you, sir.
I share the anguish of my friend Akbar Owaisi Saab. Maaku kuda agenda chala late ga vachindi sir. Nijanga kuda every day agenda